If you're a client and someone tells you, I don't know, you will start feeling, why don't you know? You work here. But we can turn that around. We can actually use it in our favor. Every time we hear the word no, our body freaks out. Our brain releases dozens of stress-producing hormones that it makes you not think clearly or even stop you from talking properly. On the other hand, when we hear the word yes, our body relaxes, our body makes us feel comfortable. We're happy again. Words have power, and in business, words are very important. The way you talk to your client, it will define if your client is going to choose you or the guy next door. So today, we want to teach you a couple of tips in order to turn a negative into a positive in your language. This is success. The first example is, I don't know. How tempted we are just to say, I don't know from any question that our clients can ask. It's frustrating. If you're a client and someone tells you, I don't know, you will start feeling, why don't you know? You work here. But we can turn that around. We can actually use it in our favor. So next time you're tempted to say, I don't know, try something different as, that's actually a good question. Let me find out that for you. Or just give me a minute. Let me double check with my colleague. At least you're going to make them feel that you're trying instead of just saying, I don't know, and forgetting about it. Give it a try next time. Another one is, I can't. Now, everybody thinks that you have the power to do everything, and you know that sometimes you will not be able to, and you will have to consult with someone higher than you to provide what the client wants. So I can't will still frustrate them, doesn't matter what. Instead of I can't or I cannot, just try something different. Try even the old trick of, let me go back and ask my manager. I think we can do something about it. Even if your manager is going to say no, at least it's off your hands. It's not your fault. So try twisting it around in a way that your client is going to feel that, okay, let me try something. Let me do something for you. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but let me try. Instead of I cannot. The third one is, it's not available right now. If you're in e-commerce or you have a store, you probably use this one a lot. And it's a big risk because the client is already there. The client already chose you over other stores or over other services. So when you get to say, it's not available right now, you literally pushing your client away or your customer away. Instead of saying it's not available right now, try something else. Try to say, perfect, great choice. This is going to be here in about 2 weeks, but I'm going to put you on top of the list so you're the first one to get it. You're showing that you care. You're showing that you value their business. Try twisting the negative into something positive. So as you can see, very common situations can be turned around very easily as well. So if you want to take something from today, remember, read what you're saying. Try to think of what you're saying to your client and how it's going to affect it. Try to active listening. Try to listen more than you talk. Use the 70-30 rule. Let them talk for 70% of the time, you talk for 30% of the time. Try to twist it around and you're going to have happy clients coming back to you all the time. Well, this is what we have for now, and we hope to see you next time. This is success. We really want to hear from you, so make sure you leave a comment in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.